Io is getting ruined by Jupiter. It's getting stretched apart and it's constantly erupting. No, but real talk. Jupiter's moon Io is the most volcanically active thing in our solar system. And thanks to NASA's Juno spacecraft, we've been able to see a lot more details. We've been able to confirm that there are a bunch of lava lakes that have been erupting nonstop for decades. Io is trapped in kind of like a gravitational tug of war between Jupiter and its other moons, like Europa and Ganymede. This constant pulling stretches and compresses Io's interior, which generates so much heat that it's covered in a bunch of lava and volcanoes. Scientists call this tidal heating. It's the same process that keeps Europa's oceans liquid. Juno has been flying incredibly close to Io in the last couple of months, and its latest images reveal giant lava lakes, active eruptions, and even glowing skylights where the lava is exposed to the surface. Jupiter is my favorite planet because it's so big and it has so many moons. It's kind of like its very own solar system. Its moons have things like volcanoes, underground oceans, maybe even life, and then Io's just kind of in the middle of it all, kind of being tortured and suffering. Io kind of gets the brunt of everything because it's not only orbiting Jupiter, it's also kind of in a dance with Europa and Ganymede. Those two don't experience the same kind of tug of war because they're farther from Jupiter, so that's just what's keeping their oceans liquid. Callisto, which is another one of the big moons, is even farther out and it's not even involved in this weird little game of tug of war, so it's basically geologically dead. This beauty is pain because it does end up looking really cool. But realistic survival aside, would you rather land on a world covered in lava or covered in ice? It's like Mustafar versus Hoth. I would pick lava for sure.